Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather, and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to present to you two items that I got from Levi's, Philippines. These are, I have two actually. This is the Black 517 or the Bootcut model, and the black one, and we have the blue indigo one, which is also the 517. I got these items last October of last year, and there is a story of this. I happened to watch the movie 3 Days of the Condor on Apple TV, and this movie was shown, I think, in the late or early 80s, and the star is Robert Redford, and the story is about some intelligence work. And when I took up my basic intelligence with the Intelligence Service of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, it was a required viewing or movie in one of our subjects. And I recall about it, and I reviewed the movie, and because I'm now involved in fashion, I was very interested with the way how Robert Redford was having his outfit during a winter season. So I was attracted to the jeans, and I later found out through my research that he was then using a Levi's 517 bootcut jeans, most especially this particular blue jeans. And I also found out that he was using a sawcloth western shirt as his shirt, which is covered by his peacoat and jacket. So I went to my authorized dealer of Levi's Philippines. Accidentally, I saw these two items, and they're the only two remaining on the bootcut, and I asked the staff if it is a regular issue, and they told me that it is a old stock, and it was only for a few days that they have displayed this, and I got the last two, and the blue one is size 29-30. Apparently, I was still slim at that time, and this one fits me very well. And I have to cut this for 1 inch because the overall inseam of this is 29 inches already from the original of 30 inches. So I was able to only reduce 1 inch. And because this is a boot cut, it is a bell bottom. The hem flares for about 3/4 to 1 inch. And I measured this size 29, and I found out that the difference from the knee length is only about 3/4 inch. So it is very minimal, but once you wear this, it is very distinct that bottom edge or hem will show a bell bottom figure or cut. By the way, this particular indigo bootcut model is made in Mexico. So this is 100% cotton, and I was happy that there's still made in Mexico being sold here in the Philippines. However, with the other one, which is the black color, this is size 30, and size 30 is a little bit loose on my belly, and I think this is already an exact cut for me because I have gained a little bit of a few centimeters on my mid waist. So that is the price, 2,600, which is the same with this. It's only about, if you convert that in dollars, that is only about $45. So we don't have any sales tax here in the Philippines. So that's it. So There's no additional. So this is very cheap. This is the black one. This is the size 30 and 30 inch waist. And this is made in Egypt, which is still very good. So it's still a very good, nice purchase. You have one from made in Mexico, and this one is made in Egypt. So because of the 3 days of the Condor, I was able to revive my fashion style, going back to those uh, Woodstock years in the 60s and 70s. So yeah, we'll go now to the fitting videos of these two items that I bought last October of last year, 2024, on the bootcut Levi's model, which is the 517. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye.